Hi, I'm Murdo, paint expert from Resene. Today I'm going to show you how to tackle painting a room. So, you are wanting to paint a room, but not sure where to begin. First of all, protect your flooring. If the room has carpet on it, cover it with good quality drop cloths. If it has wooden flooring or tiles, run tape around the edges of where the drop cloth meets the floor. Give the walls, skirting boards and ceilings a good clean using Resene Interior Paintwork Cleaner. Give everything a quick sand. Most DIYers will have a hand sander, but using a pole sander can make the job quicker. Fill any holes or imperfections and sand your filler. Spot prime with Resene Quick Dry. Fill any gaps using gap filler. Then it's time to start painting. Start with your ceiling, as paint may drip down and you don't want to ruin your freshly painted walls. I'm using Resene ceiling paint as it's easy to apply and gives a beautiful flat finish. Use a brush to cut in around the edges of the ceiling and around light fixtures. Then use a sturdy roller pole and work from the light source backwards. Then move on to the walls. I'm using Resene Space Coat Low Sheen for a hard-wearing, washable and durable finish. Cut in one wall at a time and use a roller with the correct roller sleeve. Spread the paint evenly and work your way across the wall, laying off as you go. Lastly, paint any woodwork. Use a paintbrush and use long flowing brush strokes. Use masking tape if required. I'm using Resene Luster Curl semi-gloss enamel for the job. And if you're painting or staining the floor, do that last. Then step back and enjoy your handiwork.